Greetings! My name is Emma McDonald. I'm with Mesquite ISD Library Services. Today, we're going to take a look at editing web pages within Finalsite, the Mesquite ISD website platform editor. As a reminder, to access Finalsite, go to bit.ly/edit MISD website 20. Make sure that you use the capital letters that are showing on the screen, as this link is case sensitive. Once you have logged into Finalsite, you need to make sure that you are on Pages and then navigate to your campus site and then to the page that you want to edit. Click on that page. Once it loads, you should see the information that is already on that page. If that page has not yet been published, it will show as yellow if it is a new page, or orange if there are changes that still need to be published. A green square means that all is good, everything is published. Let's take a look at how to rename different layouts, such as the accordion layout and the tabs layout, and how to rename panels. When you mouse over a section, whether it is content or a layout section, in the top right box, you will see icons. A clone or copy element icon, a gear, which is where you edit the settings, and a trash can, where you can delete the entire element. Make sure when you click a top trash can, such as this one for accordion, that you realize everything within that element will be deleted. That includes even these tabs. To take off the name or to rename the element, click the settings. We can turn off the title by clicking on this blue button to turn it gray. That will make it so that the accordion title does not show. We also have the option to expand the first panel by default. That means that as soon as the website opens, all of the content in the first panel will automatically show. You can also choose the option to expand only one panel at a time. That means when one panel is opened, all the others are closed. Finally, you have the option to show and expand or collapse the icon, the little arrow, either before the title or after the title, or none. Most people are used to having it before the title. Click Save. You'll notice that the word accordion is now no longer showing, which gives our page a much cleaner look. Now, let's name our new panel. Notice when I mouse over the new panel, two boxes show up. The top box is for the accordion itself. The second box is for this particular panel. Click on the gear to name the panel. Once you have named the panel, it will open it up, and again, a content box is automatically added. You can choose to keep it or delete it. Let's look at the next panel. To rename it, click on the gear. To show what's inside the panel, click on the arrow. To rename our tabs, I simply do the same thing. Click on the gear, turn it off, click Save. When I use column layouts or add a column layout, I have the ability to change the number of columns so that if 3 columns is too many or not enough, I can change that by clicking on this layout icon within the small box to the right. Here, I can choose the layout that I feel would be best for this section and click Save. If I have content already in the columns for the layout, it will automatically readjust that content to other locations within the new layout. Just like everything else, I can quickly and easily move these by clicking and holding either the crosshairs or clicking and holding within the content itself to add it to a new location. Additionally, I can change the layout for the entire page itself. The default is a one-column page, as shown by this thick light blue line. To change the entire page layout, at the bottom next to the blue Compose button is a layout icon. Click on that layout icon. From here, I can choose other types of page layouts. Keep in mind that depending on the layout you choose, you may not have as much flexibility as you do with the single column layout. However, if you feel like all of the content you plan to add would best fit as 3 columns, then that is the better layout to choose. Think carefully about how you plan to organize your page before choosing a different whole page layout. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact Library Services. We are always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mesquite ISD Library Services, so that you can be notified whenever we upload new videos.